I do not think there is any other quality so essential to success of any kind as the quality of perseverance. It overcomes almost everything, even nature. John D. Rockefeller. John Davison Rockefeller was an American business magnate and philanthropist who revolutionized the oil industry and became one of the richest men in history. Welcome to Black Rock Inspired. Rockefeller was born to a large family of 8 children in 1839 and knew from an early age the value of hard work and the power of money. His father was a traveling salesman, and his mother taught him how to be thrifty with money and how to use resources wisely. Rockefeller was determined to create what would become one of the most successful businesses in history. He strived never to compromise on principles or values even when facing opposition from powerful players in industry or government. Instead, he held firm on his beliefs, which led him beyond what most would have considered possible, forever leaving an indelible mark on the world's economic landscape. In this video, we will explore what principles Rockefeller employed to become so successful and how they can be used today to help build wealth and financial success. By following these principles, he was able to amass a vast fortune and become one of the wealthiest men in history. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to take your wealth to the next level, this video is for you. Let's get started. Honesty. Next to doing the right thing, the most important thing is to let people know you are doing the right thing. John D. Rockefeller was a renowned oil tycoon and businessman who understood the value of honesty in building his empire. He was known for being meticulous when it came to the truth and never resorted to fudging numbers or using ambiguous language to deceive people. One example of this was his approach to pricing. Rockefeller was known for his fair and transparent pricing policies, which helped to build trust with his customers. He believed that charging fair prices was not only good for business, but also for the customer. As a result, Standard Oil was able to establish a reputation for offering high-quality products at reasonable prices, which helped the company to attract and retain customers. Rockefeller also implemented strict standards for the quality of the oil produced by Standard Oil. He believed that providing high-quality products was essential for building trust with customers, which set Standard Oil apart from its competitors. He was also known for his honesty in business dealings with suppliers. He believed in being straightforward and transparent in his negotiations, which helped to build trust and long-lasting relationships. While John D. Rockefeller is known to have used illegal practices and had ruthless behavior, he also believed in honesty and integrity in business, which helped him to establish trust with customers, suppliers, and partners. He was committed to fair pricing, high-quality products, and transparency in his business dealings, which contributed to the success of Standard Oil. Honesty can be a great way to become wealthy. It's not just about being an upstanding citizen with integrity, but also about understanding that it is the best policy when it comes to financial success. When you are honest, people tend to trust and respect you more. Therefore, people will be more likely to invest in your business. Honesty can also lead to better customer loyalty and referrals, which in turn leads to more income. Form a great team. I would rather hire a man with enthusiasm than a man who knows everything. Rockefeller formed a team of experts to help him achieve his goal of building Standard Oil into a dominant force in the oil industry. He brought on board several key individuals who played important roles in the company's growth and success. Rockefeller also knew that having efficient operations was essential for achieving his goal. To do this, he brought together a group of people with different skills and backgrounds who could work well together. He also formed partnerships with other oil refineries, and he created a network of secret partnerships, which allowed him to control a large portion of all the oil refineries in the United States. Rockefeller's team included lawyers, accountants, and other advisors who helped him navigate the legal challenges that Standard Oil faced. They were able to defend the company against antitrust lawsuits and help to protect Standard Oil's assets and interests. Building a great team is key to succeeding in business and becoming wealthy. Having the right people around you can make all the difference by helping you identify potential opportunities, build a strong product, manage your finances, and maintain a good reputation. Great teams come in all shapes and sizes, but each should have some of the same characteristics: strong communication skills, mutual respect and trust, clear roles and responsibilities for everyone involved, the ability to work together on a common goal without ego getting in the way. By building an effective team with these qualities, businesses can benefit from improved efficiency, creativity, morale, and productivity. Keep your attention fixed on your target. Singleness of purpose is one of the chief essentials for success in life, no matter what may be one's aim. Rockefeller's determination played an essential role in securing the wealth he eventually earned. Every single decision that he made through his journey was based on achieving his goal. For example, he grew the Standard Oil by buying up refineries and pipelines, implementing efficient business practices, and controlling nearly every aspect of the oil industry. He faced intense competition and legal challenges, including a federal antitrust lawsuit that accused him of monopolizing the oil industry, but despite these obstacles, he was able to still control 90% of the oil refineries in the US, making him the wealthiest man in the world at the time. Focusing on your goal is one of the most important steps to achieving wealth. When you have a goal in mind, it gives you the motivation and drive to make a plan and take action. When you set clear, manageable goals and put in the effort necessary to reach them, it helps to create momentum towards success. Having patience is essential in the process of building wealth, since success doesn't typically occur overnight, but comes from dedication and hard work over time. Delegate responsibilities. A friendship founded on business is better than a business founded on friendship. Rockefeller was known for his ability to delegate tasks effectively. He understood that in order to build a successful business, he needed to surround himself with experts in different fields and entrust them with important responsibilities. One example of this was his relationship with Henry Flagler, who was instrumental in building Standard Oil's transportation infrastructure. Rockefeller recognized that transportation was a crucial part of the oil industry and delegated the task of securing partnerships with railroad companies to Flagler. This allowed Standard Oil to transport oil more efficiently and cheaply than its competitors, giving the company a significant advantage in the market. Rockefeller also delegated the task of developing new refining processes to the chemist Samuel Andrews. Andrews was responsible for the design and construction of some of Standard Oil's most advanced refineries, which helped the company produce higher quality oil at a lower cost. He also bribed government officials to secure favorable legislation and used insider information to make strategic business decisions. He understood the importance of surrounding himself with experts in different fields and entrusting them with important responsibilities such as building transportation infrastructure, developing new refining processes, forming partnerships, and securing favorable legislation. This helped him to overcome the obstacles and challenges he faced while building Standard Oil. Delegating tasks can be a powerful tool for creating wealth. By delegating certain tasks to others, you can free up time and energy to focus on the areas that bring in more money. By taking advantage of the skills and expertise of other people, you can create efficient processes and systems that increase your productivity and free up time for more lucrative activities. Delegation also helps you build relationships with key players in your industry, as well as access resources that would otherwise be difficult or impossible to obtain. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful. Rockefeller is a true example of how determination, hard work, and a relentless pursuit of excellence can lead to success. He built Standard Oil from scratch and turned it into one of the largest and most powerful oil companies in the world. He understood the importance of efficiency, innovation, and quality, and always aimed for perfection in every aspect of his business. Although his methods were not always legal or ethical, his story is still a valuable lesson on the power of determination. We can learn from his story and apply the same principles to our own lives and businesses. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.